everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am setting up my planner for July. I am going to do a little pre-planning on my monthly sheets, and then I'm going to figure out the spreads that I want to do for each week. Also, I'm going to let you decide on one of the week's spreads, so stay tuned for that because I have some sticker book options that you could choose from and help me pick out a spread. So first thing I want to do is figure out my monthly. I usually like to take some sticky notes. These are from KellofaPlan. They're no longer available. Hopefully one day she'll redo these and restock them, but for now you can always just use like a sticky note, any kind of sticky note. I have tons from Happy Planner that I've used in the past too. These are kind of big, but I used to have some smaller ones that I used to use before I got these. But you can use a sticky note and just put them in here because I like to pre-plan with sticky notes just in case some things change or I forget when something is, which actually I forgot an exact date for something for this month. But I'm going to figure out, I'm going to put down sticky notes for everything that I want to, important things that are happening this month. So first one up, we're going to go with, we'll do blue for these sticky notes. So on the 4th, it's Independence Day. So I'm going to put 4th of July. Also, oh wait, no, sorry. 4th of July is on the 4th. And then that means I have this Friday off, which I always have Fridays off, but I'll get paid for this Friday at least. So I'm just going to put, should I put no work? I already have it off, so I really don't need a sticky note. I'll just put no work, payday off. All right, that's fine. Next, okay, it is my brother-in-law's birthday in July. I know it's like around here. I just can't remember the exact date. Sorry. So I'm gonna put that here, and then I'll ask my sister. I don't know if it's the 8th, 9th, or 10th, but I know we're gonna do something. We're probably gonna do something on the weekend. So I'm just gonna put a sticky note there too, because again, I don't know if we're doing, I'm assuming we're doing something Saturday, not Sunday, but I'm just gonna put Johnny's B-Day celebration, I guess. Also with my sister too, I'll put Vanessa and Johnny because my sister's birthday is June 30th, so is my brother's, and we'll probably celebrate them both that day, I think. Yeah, because I'm not seeing my sister on her exact birthday because she doesn't live near me, and her birthday's during the week. Okay, the 14th I have plans with friends. So lunch with Brenda and Jaslyn. Okay, so that for sure is the 14th. Oh, I have a Disney day. Oh, that's what I'm doing on this day too. Okay, on Friday I'm also going to Disney day. Okay, so solo Disney day that day, and then this day, I told my mom I would take her downtown to Little Italy because she's going back to work soon. She gets a really short summer break as a teacher, and she's going back to work, I think, this week. So I told her I'd take her to Little Italy and have like a little nice early afternoon day over there. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And then, honestly, I don't think much else is going on in July. I think I want to do another Disney day. So I do Disney this day. Depending on weather. That's what I've been forecasting when it comes to Disney. I will choose a day. Right now, this day's not looking too bad weather-wise because it'll be around 78. and I usually go in the morning. So by the time it gets really hot, I'll probably leave. And then this weekend's not looking too bad weather-wise. So I'm gonna leave this open. I'm not sure yet. By the time I put stickers down, I'll probably have it figured out. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, those are the only things, because I like to have 2 Disney days a month if I can. I might not be doing that too much during the summer because it does get really hot. But I do want to do some night days at Disney, so maybe that'll be a night Disney day, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But that's kind of my month. Oh, you know what? I kind of want to start doing some things over here on my sidebar. I need an oil change. So schedule oil change. So let's see, what weekend could I do that? I kind of want to do this weekend. Probably this weekend. I'm gonna put 18th. That's one of the things I need to make sure I get done this month. Okay, other than that, those are all the things I wanted to put on my monthly for pre-planning purposes. All right, so that looks good. Now let's figure out my spreads. So this one's pretty easy because it's the week of Independence Day. So I'm just gonna do a fun Independence Day spread to celebrate. It is the 250th year anniversary. So that's a big one. I have some books in mind. I have this one, and then I also have, wait, I have one more. I'm gonna mix these 2 books together. So I have these really adorable 4th of July stickers in here. Perfect, so I'm gonna use this. Actually, let me get stamped. I'm gonna tab these. All right, so we got this page will be used. And then I'm gonna mix them with all of these pages here. It'll be a mix of these and this. This will be the vibe of the page, which is gonna be perfect. Yay. This is gonna look good. Probably not even doing anything that day, to be honest. My mom's not even gonna be here. Yeah, it's probably just be a chill day for me. But at least I'm going to Disney on the 3rd, so that's good. Okay, so this one is 4th of July spread. Okay. Next week. Okay, what's the next week? Oh, we would be celebrating birthdays this week. I don't know if I have a book for this. A birthday spread. Okay, I have to come back to this one because I'm not sure. This week, nothing's going on, so I could do any kind of spread here. So, I have options. Oh, actually, this, for the monthly, I want to use this book. Summer Edit from Live Love Posh. And I think I want to use this page. I haven't used this. No, I think this will be perfect for this. It's going to make it look so cute. Yeah. This page. I remember when I flipped through this book, I think this was my favorite page from this book. This theme. So this will be this theme for this. So I'm gonna put Summer Edit as the spread. Okay, that takes care of that one. Coming back to this one, because I'm not sure yet what kind of birthday spread I can do there. This week is a free week. I don't have anything going on because sometimes I like to coordinate my spreads to what's going on for the week. I usually do a Disney spread, but I really don't have any Disney stickers I want to use right now. I have this one. I really don't like Stitch, but I have this book. I was thinking of maybe using this one, but I'm honestly not a huge fan of it. There was another their first Lilo and Stitch sticker book that they came out with was so cute because it had Lilo and it had Stitch, and it just felt, I don't know, that one was really adorable. This one I'm not, Lilo and Angel, not really feeling it too much. I don't know. So I probably won't be doing a Disney spread this month at all, which is different for me because I usually tend to do at least one. I really like this book, Confetti and Charm. This one's really cute. It's from, you know what, maybe I'll use this as a birthday spread. And then I could put pictures in my spread. Because my sister loves to, she also journals, and she does like junk journaling, but with memory keeping. And I feel like I could do a cute spread, and then I could put pictures with this. I think that would be cute actually. Because I've been doing, okay, I'm a little bit behind on my journaling, but basically that's kind of what I've been doing in my journal, documenting our trip. So I have lots to do still, but keeping all this stuff in here and journaling and then adding the pictures. So I think I want to go with this vibe. And my sister gave me tons, a lot of this stuff I'm using in these spreads are stuff that my sister gave me. So she definitely helped me to get my to get going on this, because she has really cutesy stuff that work so nicely with the spreads that I've made. So I think I want to do a spread kind of like this, a journaling spread, but in my planner. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to do Confetti and Charm here. Yeah, maybe I'll print out like some pictures of, actually I would want to print out, I'll probably do the picture part after. Yeah, I think, I don't know, I haven't figured that part out yet, how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I can print out favorite pictures of them to celebrate them, maybe, we'll see. All right, this week, it's another free week. Okay, I'm gonna have this week. This week I'll let you all decide what I do, and I'll show you the books that I have that you can decide from. This week, I'm going to bring a book that if you've been playing along with the decision making when it comes to my spreads, this has been in the rotation for a bit. So I'm finally pulling it out of the rotation and just finally going to use it because I like the colors and it's very summery. But I'm going to use Coastal Cottage for this week's spread. So I think it'll look cute. Yeah, this book is just really pretty. I love the colors. The different citrus fruits or fruits, and again the colors, the patterns, like these are so pretty. Those are cute. This can make a nice spread. So finally going to use that, so that will be in the rotation or out of the rotation. And then I have, oh wait, I still have 2 more weeks going in. I have a lot of weeks to figure out. Hold on. Okay, so there's 4th of July spread, Confetti and Charm, Coastal Cottage, then I still have 2 weeks. My goodness, there's a lot of weeks. Actually, I don't even think I have enough. Okay, so I still need to find one more book, but for now, I'm just gonna go over, we'll do this one as the spread you pick. I might switch it from this one to the previous week, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to go over the 3, I think I have 3 books. 3 books, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I think, sorry, I'm looking to see if I have any other books that might be able to pull in here. Okay, I'm just going to do these 3 books that you can choose from. All right, so first one, this is a new one. We have Chalkboard Charm. This is a big sticker book, but I really like the artwork in here. I like the line art. I like how neutral it is. It's really pretty. Like these are really nice. I think those are cool. It is a big sticker book, so they're gonna fit. It's gonna fit differently in this spread, but I've used a big sticker book a few times in my planner, and it works out. It works out. So we have Chalkboard Charm, so that's the first option. Oops. Okay, this one has been in the rotation for a bit. We have Tinted Mosaic. This one is really pretty. I love the water or the stained glass looking window type stickers. The colors, it's really pretty. The leaves, the flowers. Oh, there's butterflies, that's right. It's a really pretty book. So this one is the second option. And then the third option, this is a fun book. Also gives me summer vibes because of the colors. And I think there's palm trees. Yeah, there's palm trees. This is Saved by the Bell. If you watched Saved by the Bell when you were younger, like me, then this is a nice nostalgic book that I would definitely want to have in my planner. I haven't used it yet though. Okay, so we have Saved by the Bell. Bell. Okay, those are the three options. So let me know down in the comments which one you want to see me use. The one that gets commented the most will be the one that wins, and I will use that one in a spread. Okay, I still have one more week to figure out because I have so many. Maybe I should find a Disney. I'm gonna look for a Disney sticker book that I can use. It might be a repeat book that I've used already in the past because I really don't, aside from that Lilo and Stitch one, I really don't have that many Disney books that I can use that I haven't used already. All right, I couldn't find anything. I think I might just use this book because I haven't used it yet, and I should just try it. It's cute. I do like the colors. I will say that. I do like the colors of this book. I actually have never seen this movie or show. I don't know where this angel one came from, but I've never seen that. I've only seen the cartoon, Lilo and Stitch. I'm good with that because that one is the best. But I do know that that alien is Angel. I'm gonna put this one. This one's called Cute and Feisty. Feisty. But this is a big maybe. If I stumble upon a better book, I might switch it, honestly. I wouldn't mind doing another peanut spread, but I've done so many peanut spread, but I'm gonna hold off until the next season before I do another peanut spread. So fall, and otherwise I'd be doing that. I was thinking about doing a Powerpuff Girls spread, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that one too. But for now, that'll be my option, but this might change, Okay, so that's gonna be my setup video. I have my pre-planning done. I'm gonna figure out some dates just to nail those down when it comes to certain things that I planned out. This will be a summer edit. I can't wait for this spread because it's gonna be so pretty. 4th of July spread, can't wait for this too because it's gonna be really cool. And I love the Squad Girls. Confetti and Charm. That one's gonna be fun. Coastal Cottage, finally. We've been voting for Coastal Cottage and I haven't used it yet. Finally gonna be using it in a spread. Cute and Feisty, like I said, we will see. And then again, your options, Chalkboard Charm, Tinted Mosaic, and Saved by the Bell. So let me know down in the comments. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching as I try to figure out my July setup. Hopefully you enjoyed hearing me talk about it and enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.